Hi guys, it is EI.01. Today in this video we are going to learn how to build a simple light screamer using a breadboard. For the list of components for this video and other links to other videos we have covered, check below the description box. And if you're new here, to not miss other project videos next week, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So guys, this is the 55 timer IC with 8 pins, and this is how you should place it on your breadboard. With its notch facing up. To count the pins, you start from pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, and from the down to the top, pin 5, pin 6, pin 7, and pin 8. So let's get building. Connect pin 2 and pin 6 of the 55 timer IC, and then connect pin 4 and pin 8 of the 55 timer IC, and also connect pin 8 to the positive rail. And doing the same with pin 1, connecting pin 1 to the ground. So the next thing we are going to be doing is placing a 1K resistor to pin 6 of the 55 timer IC and an empty hole. Then with your LDR, connecting one of its pins to the pin 3 output of the 55 timer IC and the other pin to the 1 kilo ohms resistor. Next, with a 100 NF capacitor, placing it to pin 1 and pin 2 of the 55 timer IC. Now, place a 10 UF capacitor such that its positive is connected to pin 3 of the 55 timer IC and its negative is connected to an empty hole. Then the next thing you're going to do is, with your speaker, connecting one of its terminals to the negative side of the capacitor and one of its terminals to the ground. We are done. Your circuit should look something like this. And also, do not forget to give us a like button, share, and also drop a comment on the comment section below. We are going to be testing this circuit with a 6-volt power supply, connecting its negative to the ground and then its positive to the positive rail of this circuit. If I do this, I think we should have a screaming in the circuit. But why we not having a screaming? And when we have light in this room? If you know the answer, let me know your answer on the comment section below. So let's try to make a review to see what was our mistake. Oh no! Oh, so this is where I made a mistake, so I have to correct this. Remember that I said this 1 kilo ohms resistor was supposed to be connected to the pin 6 of the 55 timer IC, but I mistakenly connect that to the pin 5 of the 55 timer IC. So I'm going to be taking that pin out and then placing it to the pin 6 of the 55 timer IC, and then when we do this, I think we should have a screaming. So we'll put our power supply back again. I think if I should do this, I should have a screaming. Exactly, it works. This is screaming because it is already sensing the ambient light in my room. So let me switch off all the lights in this room. Oh, the room is dark. This is horrible. I can't find my circuit anywhere. Who took my circuit? Okay, I'm gonna bring a light so that I can find this. Oh, there you are. I can find you. So guys, you notice that when the room was dark, there was no screaming. It was silent. The whole room was silent and dark. So when it found light, it was saying, here I am, come over, I'm here. It was screaming, and it was kept screaming. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button.